So let's integrate all what we've learned, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, or the rationalizing of the denominator through solving this example. So for example, we have like 3 plus square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 minus 4. Okay. All over negative cube root of 2 plus 2 cube root of 2. So at this point, you can pause the video and try to answer this. And just a hint, for the numerator, you are gonna use the distributive property of multiplication. And when you have the product, you just simplify it through adding and subtracting the existing product of the numerator. Okay. Okay. So now we can answer this by first multiplying the numerator. Simplify first the numerator by distributive property. What we mean by distributive property is we first multiply 3 to root of 5, okay? And then multiply 3 to negative 4. And then we multiply root of 5 to root of 5. And then root of 5 to negative 4. So, firstly, we multiply 3 to root of 5, and when we multiply that, we will get 3 root of 5. Okay? When we multiply 3 times negative 4, we will get negative 4 times 3, which is negative 12. So I can just write negative 12 in here. Okay, negative 12. And then we multiply now root of 5 to the value of root of 5 here. And we know that square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is square root of 25, which is a perfect square. And we can just remove the square root sign and leave it as 5. So we have positive 5. And we are lastly gonna multiply square root of 5 to negative 4, which is negative 4 square root of 5. And all over, we can already simplify the denominator by simply adding or subtracting them. And this is just negative cube root of 2 plus 2 cube root of 2. We have the same index and same radicand. Hence, we can combine them directly. Okay, so this is just negative 1. There is a number 1 in here, but we are not writing that because mathematics has a law with that. I know, that's not a law. But, ayan, nasanay lang tayo na hindi na natin nilalagay. And we are gonna be getting 2 minus 1, that's 1. And that is just 1 cube root of 2. But as we said, we are not writing any more 1 here because it's understood na may coefficient siyang 1. Next is we combine like terms, like radicals. So for the numerator, the like radicals are 3 root of 5, okay, and then negative 4 root of 5. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1 or negative root of 5. So we just put negative root of 5. And then negative 12 plus 5 is just negative 7. Okay. So you combine this as well. Okay, all over cube root of 2. So now we bound to the last step, which is rationalizing the denominator or dividing this um, existing expression by rationalizing it. We don't want a radical expression on the denominator, hence we try to eliminate it. So this is just also equal to negative 7 minus root of 5. Okay? Okay, so we rationalize it by multiplying cube root of what? What do you think? 2 squared. You just need to 3 minus 1. Okay, so cube root of 2 raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is just 1. Okay, and multiplying numerator to numerator and denominator to the denominator, we again use the distributive property for this. Okay, so cube root of 2 squared, or cube root of 4, right? Multiplied by to negative 7 is just negative 7 cube root of 4. All right. And then multiplying cube root of 4 into negative root of 5. So we cannot combine them. I mean, we cannot multiply the radicands 4 and 5, because they have different indices. Like this is 3 and this is just 2. Okay, so we just write them as negative root of 5 and then cube root of 4 all over. Okay, so at this portion, the denominator would be 3, and then 2 times 2 squared, we just have 3, I mean cube root of 2 cube, and just take that, and we will be having 2 in the denominator, and this is the final answer. Okay, so for now, I hope you practice more in evaluating the radical expressions. If you've learned in this video, please click the like button and share button as well, so we could help each other. And please also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for upcoming mathematics videos. Okay, ito ang Sanayang Sipnayan. Sanayin ang isip na yan.